With ATI's cable repair program, you can bring your cables back to life. In today's video, we'll be exploring our cable repair process and how it can save you time and money. After scheduling an appointment, we'll arrange the freight to pick up your bins of old cables and bring them back to our warehouse. Once we receive your shipment, our teams will start by taking inventory of your cables and carefully inspect them for any defects. We'll send you a detailed report explaining the condition of each cable. When you're ready, let us know what you'd like to do with your cables, whether you'd prefer 50-foot assemblies, 25-foot assemblies, have them broken down into larger pigtails, smaller pigtails, or even have the excess scrapped for a credit on your account. If you decide that you'd like to recycle any of your old cables, we'll fill out our credit form for you and issue a credit to your account that can be used for any of your future purchases. All of the cables that you want us to repair will be cleaned and restored to mint condition. Here, we're working on replacing the 50 amp California style twist locking connectors on a SpiderBox locking cable. We like to kick things off by first removing the old connector that isn't quite performing as it should be and adding a completely new contact so that you can get your cables back in action. Next, we take the time to zoom in on every detail as we wrap up assembling the new connector. We want to make sure that every component is locked into place and the new connector is ready to perform. Alright, now let's move on to our most popular cable restoration, our Camlock equipped banded sets. First, we start by running a continuity test to check that each cable is producing a continuous, steady flow of electricity from end to end. This helps us make sure that the cables will perform safely without any hiccups. We use a multimeter to check both ends of the cable to make sure electricity is moving from end to end without any issues. After we finish testing the cable, we label it with phase tape to prep it for a Camlock installation. Finally, we'll clean off any leftover residue to bring your cable back into like new condition. Congratulations! Your cables are fully repaired and ready to use for a fraction of what it would cost to purchase a whole new set of cables. We'll stay in touch as we prepare the shipment of repaired cables back to your facilities, because we want to make sure that they arrive safely and within the scheduled time frame. With ATI's cable repair program, it's that easy to make the most out of your old cables. If you'd like to learn more, we've added a link to our cable repair page in the description below, or you can call us at 800-597-9311.